I, Ms. Manaza Sayed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School. Children, today I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. Okay. Today's good thought is unity is strength. Unity is strength. It means when we are in a group, we got sometimes or actually every time a different strength. If we will be united, if we are working in groups. So similarly, in the same way, by being united, our India got freedom. Yes, on 15th August 1947. So in the same way, we have to be united in any activity. Unity means working together with other members. Okay. So unity is strength. We all have to work together, stand together and work harder to become a successful team. Okay. So children, now I will ask you some questions. You have to answer me. Do you know animals, children? Yes, you all do know. Good. Name some animals. Lion, tiger, dog, cats. Good. Now again these animals are bifurcated in two parts. Okay. Pet animals and wild animals. Do you know pet animals, children? Name some pet animals which you can keep at your home as a pet. Dogs, parrots, cats. Good. So, when these animals are at your home, what you will do with them, children? You will play with them. Yes, with your dog, with your cat. So, they become your friends. Yes. So, today also we are going to see an interesting story in our next lesson, lesson number 3 of English, Ant Friends. So, here we are going to see the ant as a friend. Okay. Take out your canopies, children. Page number 18. Okay. Repeat after me. Lesson number 3. Ant Friends. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. F-R-I E-N D-S. Friends. Lesson number 3. Ant Friends. See children, here, which animal do you think can carry the heaviest weight? Heaviest means बहुत ज़्यादा वजन चीज. Okay. Donkey, ant, elephant. Now donkey, you can see they can carry the heaviest things, as donkey is also strong. But here ant, as per ant's strength, a leaf is also a heavy thing for it. Even elephant also can carry many heaviest things. Read on to find out more about ants. Now we are going to see more interesting things about ants. A-N-T-S. Ants. First I will read till here. Means you just put your fingers in your textbook, children. Don't look here and there. I said pay attention in your book and put your finger. Okay. Shall I start, children? the morning, Tony was all alone. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. But it was only 10 in the morning now. Please, can I go out to play, mother? Said Tony. Yes, you can, Tony. I will call you when it is lunch time, said mother. So he went out into the garden to play. So in this story, children, this is a morning time. Okay. In the morning, what happened? One day, Tony, T-O-N-Y. Tony is a name of a boy here. He was all alone. Alone means what? Without anyone. Yes. Means किसी के भी साथ नहीं बैठना. He was alone at that time. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. So what was Tony's schedule here, children? He was playing with his friends every day after the lunch. Now let me ask you, when we are having our lunch? In the afternoon session. Yes. So, but it was only 10 in the morning now. So what was the time in the morning? It was 10 o'clock. And when Tony will go out to play with his friends? After the lunch. So he was all alone. Even if you all are also wanted to play, but your playing time is different and you want to go out and play, will you take permission from your mother, children, or from your elders? You are not taking? Very bad. Okay. So what we have to do, children? We have to take permission. I know you all are taking the permission. Very good. So we have to take the permission of our elders and we have to go out to play. So what Tony did in the same way, please can I go out to play, mother? Question mark. See here. Means he is asking. Who is asking here? Tony. Tony is asking to his mother, please can I go out to play? So what his mother replied? Yes, you can, Tony. I will call you when it is lunch time. So what mother said? Yes, go out and play. I will call you at the lunch time. So he went out into the garden to play. Where Tony went to play, children? In the garden. Next. So here, after taking the permission, what he did? He went out to play in the garden. Tony loved the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. So in the garden, if you will imagine, children, just imagine that you are in a garden. What you will see around you? What you will see? Yes, colorful flowers, beautiful butterflies and fruits on the tree. So these all the things even our Tony loved. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks. Sticks, you all know, lakdi with that bundle. Now in the bundle only one stick will be there, children? No. Bundle means there are more than one. Okay. So he loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin pail. P-A-I-L. Pail means what? Bucket. Bucket you all know? Yes. So, with how many things in the garden Tony loved to play, children? 3 things. Which are they? Bundle of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin pail. Say the spelling after me. P-A-I-L. Pail. Pail means what? Bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T. Bucket. So Tony loved to play with all these things and he loved the garden too. Question time. Say yes or no. Then say the correct answer too. Tony played with his friends every day. Just remember the answer in your minds, children. Together we'll see the answers. First one, Tony played with his friends every day. Yes or no you have to say, and with the reason, with the correct answer you have to tell. Second, Tony's mother said, I will call you when breakfast is ready. Third one, Tony loved the colorful flowers. Fourth one, Tony loved to look at the fruits on the trees. Fifth one, Tony played with a shiny new bucket and some sticks. Have you all answered, children? Okay. Shall we see the answers now? First one is Tony played with his friends every day. Yes, it's yes. Second one, Tony's mother said, I'll call you when breakfast is ready. No, because Tony's mother said, I will call you when it is lunch time. Tony loved the colorful flowers. Yes. Tony loved to look at the fruits on the trees. He loved that too. Fifth one, Tony played with a shiny new bucket and some sticks. Some sticks they are telling. No, because Tony played with a bundle of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin. Here they have written shiny new, but he loved to play with the old tin pail. Pail means what? Bucket. Good. Now next part. On the next page, yes, put your finger in your textbook, children. I am reading the lesson again. See, while reading, are you all reading the books at home, children? Daily you have to read one page. Okay, how I will tell you. If the full stop will come, you have to take a small pause, like 1 or 2 सेकेंड. आपको क्या करना है, उधर रीडिंग के टाइम पे रुकना है. ओके, इवन व्हेन द कॉमास विल कम. Full stop, why we are using? Because one completed meaningful sentence is complete. Okay, so we are giving the full stop. So we have to wait here. See, I'll read now. But today he also found something else. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. So what happened? All of a sudden something else Tony found. What he found? An old broken log. Old means purana. Okay, log, broken means it has been broken in pieces, टूट गया है. Okay, log, L-O-G, log. Log means what? A thick piece of wood that is from the tree. See, you can see here a thick यानी जाड़ा. Okay, a thick piece of wood. Wood माने लकड़ी, लकड़ी का एक मोटा सा टुकड़ा. Okay, a thick piece of wood that is from the tree he got, but that log was old and broken. Okay, but where was that log, children? In the corner of the garden. See, in this picture you can see this is a garden. Corner means at the end, to the side. So at this corner Tony got a piece of wood that is called log, and that was broken. Can you see here in this picture? See, this is broken. Okay, and this is old too. So on that day he got something else. He found that an old broken log. Where he found that log, children? In the middle of the garden? No. Yes, you all are right. In the corner of the garden. A line of shiny black ants marched up and down this log. So what was actually happening on that log is a line. Line means you all know. Okay, of shiny black ants. There were the ants which were in black color and they were shining too. So, and they were marching. They marched up and down this log. Now marched means you all know on 15th August and on 26th January in our school we are having a march past on our school ground. Do you all remember? Yes. So marching means walking like a soldier. Do you all remember how soldier walks? And your sport teacher is also teaching you, na, children, how to do march past? Yes, means walking like a soldier is called marching up and down. So you can see in this picture on the log he saw a line. See, these ants are in line. Yes, a line of black shiny ants marched up and down, means they were going up and they were coming down on the log. Next. Tony watched them. So obviously this was happening suddenly to Tony. So Tony was like he was watching them. What Tony was doing? He was watching them. What are they doing? So even if we will also see a different thing suddenly, so we will also think what they are doing. Many questions will come in our mind. Yes, why they are here, what they are doing, from when they are doing. So these all the questions. Amongst that, first question in Tony's mind was, what are they doing? See, as I say to the next question, where are they going? He wondered. Wondered, W-O-N-D-E-R-E-D. Wondered means thought. He thought that, and he was thinking, what are they doing, where they are going. Many questions were there in Tony's mind. So he wondered that, he thought that. He looked carefully at an ant. At an ant, children, means on the single ant he looked carefully. Carefully means very closely he went, because ants will be small now, children. We can't see them properly from the far distance. So he went close to them and he looked at one ant carefully. It was carrying some food in its mouth. So what that ant was carrying in its mouth? Some food. Okay. The other ants went under the log and put the food there. If you will see in this picture, children, now here we have not shown ants are carrying. I will show you in the next picture. So here the ants were carrying the food in its mouth and they were going. But whereas the other ants were in the log. Now you can see here this broken log. From this they will go inside. Inside it will be empty hole type thing. Okay. So there other ants, they are keeping the food. The next part of this lesson we will see in another period. Okay. So what we have saw, children, today an interesting story, as I said you, that about ant friend. I'll ask you some question now. Okay. What was the name of that boy? Tony. Very good. And what he wanted to do and what he is doing every day? He is playing with his friends. At evening time he is playing, children? No. So I will summarize the story now. In the morning, Tony was all alone. Okay, he was standing alone. Alone means you can see me, I am alone here. Nobody is with me. Yes. So Tony was also alone and he wanted to play. And daily he is playing with his friend after the lunch. And you all know lunch will be in the afternoon. But in that morning it was only 10 o'clock. The time was 10. So Tony was unable to play with his friends. So what he did? He took his mother's permission. Ma, please can I go out to play? So mother said, okay, you can go. I will call you at lunch time, she said. Then what Tony did? He went out to play in the market, right? No, you all are not paying attention. Huh? In the garden he went to play. So what happened? In the garden, if you will remember, if you will assume that colorful flowers, fruits on the trees, these things will be there, and these all the things Tony loved to see. And Tony was playing in the garden. From which things he was playing? From the dry leaves. Good. Next. An old tin pail. Pail means what? Bucket. Pail means what? Bucket. And bundle of sticks. Bundle means more than one stick. Okay. Bundle of sticks. But suddenly he found something else. What was that thing, children? A broken old piece of log. Log he found. Log, L-O-G, log means what here, children? A piece of wood from the tree. And on that log, what he saw? A line of black shiny ants. And the ants were going up and down from the log. So they were marching. Marched means what? Walking like a soldier. Okay. So they were marching there. And what he saw, so he went near to them and he was observing, like suppose this is a log and he was observing from closely, he looked on the log what the ants were doing. So he found that ants were having food in the mouth and they were going up, and some of the ants were inside the log. What they were doing? They were playing there? No, they were keeping the food there in the log. So till here we have learnt. The next part of this lesson we are going to see in the next period. So how was the story, children? Isn't it interesting? It was interesting, na? Very good. So some other part is also very interesting, and that too we are going to see in the next period. Till then what you have to do? You have to read lesson number 3. What is the name of lesson number 3? Ant friends. Very good. A-N-T, ant. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Ant friends. Children, how I am reading the spellings na? In the same way you have to read at home. Not only uttering the words, like suppose T-H-E, the, B-O-Y, boy, I-N, in. In the same way you have to learn the spellings, okay, and you have to do the reading. Read lesson number 3 and friends, and underline the hard words, okay. And today I said you the meaning of marched, pale, log. These all the meanings, and more meanings we have in our Canopy textbook that you have to learn. Okay. Thank you.